there, I just got my box from Mama Select and I wanted to share with you one of the products that I selected. It's called Fenugreek, and I've used this in teas before and I wanted to try something different, so I went ahead and got the capsules instead. This container includes 2 months supply, so it's got 120 capsules in it. And fenugreek is usually known to help produce your milk naturally for when you're nursing. These capsules, they're gel capsules, and they hold the fenugreek inside. They're very easy to take. I usually split mine up once in the morning, once at night. That way I have a standard milk production throughout the day. This company is really cool because they have received the Good Manufacturing Process certification, which is awesome for me because it means they're consistently good. Also, they are made in the United States, which is pretty cool, I have to say. I just wanted to give y'all a shout out and say thanks. I'm really excited about this, and see you later.